Hope you are trying to enjoy your day. Today I'm gonna show you a tool, no coding today, just a tool to check your website or web service response time from outside in. So it's like sending a request from your machine to your website in real life situation and measuring the performance or speed. So it's like an end-to-end thing which covers like everything that is involved within a request with few caveats. So it depends on your internet speed. So maybe if you're just making a comparison between before adding a tool or after adding a new query, you should be good. It depends on your server and client location. So don't compare apple with oranges. Compare close enough situations only. It doesn't cover front-end loading, so it doesn't include the performance of your website assets, how fast they load, like images or JavaScript or CSS, whatever. Just treat it like a back-end speed test, really. So without further ado, just test something. Now the best part is it comes with Mac OS by default. Either you know or don't know. The tool is simply called AB, like this. And to install it on Linux, you have to do something like apt install Apache 2 utils, and I think you should be good to go. But if you're on Mac, you don't need to worry about it. For Windows, I don't know. Please check documentation online. Let's run man ab. Sorry, woman. It's just showing you how you can do this. Like this man thing doesn't make too much sense for me most of the time, but for this thing, it's like really clear. So we will focus on this thing, like n. So n suggests how many number of requests you are trying to make to the website or web service. And another thing we are going to take a look at is C for concurrency. So it does mean how many requests you are trying to make parallel or how many concurrent requests you are trying to make. So let's test my own website. I mean, why not? So we will send 100 requests to my website and there will be 10 concurrent requests at the same time. So I'm using just HTTP and not HTTPS because HTTPS has other things involved. Okay, so let's remember one thing. You have to add a slash at the end, otherwise it doesn't work. I don't know why, but add it. Okay, so here we will focus on this one thing, requests per second. So you can see per second we were able to send 360 requests, and there are other things which you can just dive deep into. I'm not going to. So now if we do Google instead of my site, you can see that we were able to send 248 requests per second. Come on, Google, my site is even faster than you. Okay, so this is basically it. And you can definitely test your local websites, like maybe localhost, something like that. And don't forget to add slash, please. So this thing can be really helpful if you're testing your local website before adding something and after adding something to see how much different it makes. It's like A/B testing. So this A/B actually stands for Apache Bench, like a benchmarking tool, but I'm not sure if it's just a clever name that you can A/B test. And you can also test private APIs, I believe. There are headers as well, but I'm not going to dive deep into it. Another thing you won't believe is how easily you can DDoS so many websites so easily from your own machine. I mean, you can literally take down many websites like this. If you provide that much of concurrency, it can take down so many websites if they are not optimized. Don't do this. It was just for education. Don't misuse it, please. So hope you have learned something new today. That was it for today. Peace be upon you and see you next time. Bye.